Today, I'm bringing you a model that a lot of people have been asking for, the DT Watch Ultra 4 Pro, the latest release that builds on the Ultra 3 and takes things several steps further. It's clearly inspired by one of the most premium smartwatches on the market. But what's really interesting isn't just the design. It's what this watch can actually do for just 49 bucks. In this video, we're checking out everything. The unboxing, first impressions, design, features, pros and cons, and at the end, whether it's really worth your money. Let's get started. The box comes in white, featuring the watch on the front from two angles, left and right. You'll find the brand logo at the top corner, key function icons on the sides, and the model name plus app logo on the back. Opening it up, you get the manual first, followed by two straps, a classic black one and a sporty orange one. Then comes the magnetic charger, the watch itself, and a third strap, a premium protective band they are currently including as a gift. Once installed, that combo looks awesome. In hand, it feels solid and well built, nice weight, and great quality. But what really surprised me wasn't what came in the box. It's how it feels when you wear it. Let's take a closer look. At first glance, the DT Watch Ultra 4 Pro looks almost identical to the previous Ultra 3 Pro. But trust me, the details make a big difference. It keeps that rugged, premium-inspired design built from zinc alloy, which feels sturdy and well-made. On the wrist, it's comfortable and balanced, not too light, not too heavy. The new integrated protective band adds a tough, stylish look and extra protection without making it bulky. The button layout remains the same. On the right, you have the functional rotating crown, the quick access button, and the microphone between them. On the left, you'll find the speaker and the orange action button for workouts or emergency contacts. On the back are the sensors, charging pins, and strap connectors. Still compatible with previous models. And here's where we see upgrades. It now packs a 400 mAh battery, offering better endurance than the Ultra 3 and 1 ATM water resistance, meaning it's submersible but with care, not for swimming or showers. The previous model only handled splashes, so this is a nice step up. New additions include WhatsApp reply support, Android only, and even gesture call answering, super handy when your hands are busy. Plus, the watch face market keeps getting updates, so you'll always have something fresh to customize. And if you're wondering how it stacks up against the 8K11 Ultra 3, don't worry. That comparison is coming soon.
Hello.
Hello, Dios te bendiga.
Amén. Te bendiga más. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás bien?
Sí, pasé por aquí para decirte que recuerden que Dios es fiel y que ninguna situación es para siempre.
Screen is one of this watch's biggest strengths. It sports a 2.04-inch AMOLED display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution, and right from the first power on, you can tell. Vibrant colors, crisp details, and ultra-thin bezels. For its price, the display quality is impressive. Bright enough for outdoor visibility, with good viewing angles that keep everything sharp from any position. It also supports always-on display, with analog and digital options. Just remember, keeping it on all day will impact battery life. The watch face system is great too. Lots of built-ins, downloadable options via the app, and even custom backgrounds using your own photos or animated AI designs. Visually, it can easily compete with much more expensive models. This is where the DT Watch Ultra 4 Pro really shows off what it can do. It lets you make and receive Bluetooth calls directly from the watch, view call history, and access your contacts. The speaker is loud and the mic performs well in quiet environments. It also integrates WhatsApp messaging. You can read and on Android send quick replies, which is rare in watches under $50. It includes Google Maps navigation and even Translate, downloadable from a small but functional built-in app store. You'll also find 100 plus sports modes, tracking distance, calories, steps, and heart rate, with goal setting before each workout. Perfect for regular training. Other functions include music control, remote camera, voice recorder, flashlight, compass, stopwatch, hydration reminders, breathing exercises, and even mini games. It also has 4 GB of internal storage, so you can pair Bluetooth earbuds and take your music on the go without your phone. In short, this watch doesn't just imitate premium models, it actually performs like one, and does it really well for the price. Beyond its smart features, it offers a complete health tracking suite. You get heart rate monitoring both at rest and during workouts, SpO2 measurement, sleep tracking, deep, light, and total hours, step counting, calories burned, and distance tracking. The app visualizes everything with clean charts, plus reminders to move and hydrate. While it's not a medical device, it's surprisingly good for everyday tracking. More than enough for casual users who just want to stay active and aware. Battery life is another solid point. With its 400 mAh cell, you get around 5 to 7 days of typical use. Notifications, calls, some always on time, and health tracking. With lighter use and lower brightness, you can stretch it close to 10 days, just as the brand claims. Charging is quick, about 1.5 hours from 0 to 100% using the magnetic cable. Overall, it delivers consistent battery performance and stable power efficiency, something you don't often see in this price segment. What I liked: premium looking design and solid build, beautiful AMOLED screen, tons of useful features for the price, decent battery life, extra protective strap included, WhatsApp quick replies on Android. What could improve? Wear Pro app has ads and an outdated interface. Some health readings are not fully accurate. Limited third-party apps. Always on drains battery faster. Overall, not perfect, but for $49, it's a lot of smartwatch for the money. After testing it thoroughly, I can confidently say the DT Watch Ultra 4 Pro exceeds expectations for its category. It offers an excellent screen, solid build, and smart features you normally don't find under $50. It's not meant for advanced users or those seeking clinical accuracy. But if you just want a reliable smartwatch to stay connected, track your basics, and enjoy a smooth everyday experience without overspending, this one delivers. The integrated protective band and constantly updated watch face market make it feel more premium than it really is. So whether you're upgrading from the Ultra 3 or buying your first smartwatch, the Ultra 4 Pro is an excellent starting point. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next videos. Blessings!